Yung dalawa na yan, the two Dannys, what made it so hard to stop the two of them when they were together on the court?
Grabe. I start with with Danny Segal. Talagang he's a third all-time leading scorer sa Wagner. Talagang ang hirap bantayan with Olsen, tapos with Danny I who is nagmamature. Parang they have that in-out formula eh. Pagka-post, dinobol, kick out kay Danny Segal, he can shoot, he can attack, he has an open game. Kompleto, a little of everything. So yun ang
What's interesting when we look at the credentials of these two players, Danny I is a two-time MVP, back-to-back yun. Danny Segal, people say that he's one of the best players to never win an MVP trophy. Would you agree with that kind of assessment?
Yes. Hindi nga siya nanalo, pero he's deserving din siya. Alam mo naman, pagka labanan na ng MVP, lahat meron chance to win the plum. So, yun lang.